సారీ సార్, అన్నీ నేను కన్నడాలే చెప్పాను. బట్ మై తెలుగు సార్, సారీ, but a hearty welcome to Bangalore, and Peddi Films looks great, great, great. Hats off to you. So
Thank you.
tell us more about Peddi, sir. The film గురించి చెప్పండి.
Film is so great.
ಸರ್, ಒಕ್ಕಸಾರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ? there's a press meet happening here. Can we maintain some decorum in the auditorium, please? Thank you. Sir?
Film is very, very good. And it was lightened up by Shivraj Kumar ji.
But I said that, to produce a film like Peddi, the producer has to be a very pedda producer. I know it's not a small thing, sir. It's a very challenging job.
To produce the film like Peddi, Ram Charan sir is there.
Sir, as a producer, you have seen Ram Charan sir's journey in Peddi film. Tell us more about his involvement. How was he preparing? What was his preparation for the film?
It's a very, very tough decision and so much of struggle because he should make over 3 times. So it took long time and has so many injuries while playing the sports. And it's a very nice sports drama. So he prepared well for that.
And we all know that it's going to be a very big inspiration to all the athlete lovers.
It is the film which whole family can watch it. Children, grandparents and parents. Everyone should go to the theater and experience it on June 4th. Thank you.
Superb. Thank you so much, Satish sir. Satish sir ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್? ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ